Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will be making meatloaf with vegetable filling. Now here what I have about 1 kilo of minced meat or ground meat, some people may say. And I have here cumin, oregano, red pepper. This is mild. You can use hot if you like. Salt, black pepper. I have about 1/3 of a cup of breadcrumbs, which is 50 grams. And I have 2/3 of a cup of mixed vegetables. These are frozen vegetables. I just microwaved it just before, so it was full. When I microwaved it, it thawed and it became 2/3 of a cup. Now I have a bunch of parsley here, fresh parsley, 1 large onion, and I have here about 4 cloves of garlic. Now what I'll be doing is I will be putting my parsley, my garlic and my onion into my processor, and I will process all 3 of them, and I'll chop up the garlics a little bit. Doesn't have to be too small. Now roughly chop parsley. Now I have minced my parsley, onion and garlic. My breadcrumbs now goes in. A little bit of black pepper. About 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon cumin. 2 teaspoons of oregano. 2 teaspoons of salt. I might need to add some water because there's breadcrumbs in here. Yeah, this is almost done mixing. So mix it very good. You want all the ingredients to get into each other. Yeah, this is ready to be shaped. Yeah, I'm oiling my tray. I have a cling wrap here. flatten it out as much as you can. Doesn't have to be too thin. I'm going to wet my hands so I can work easily. There's a big chunk of onion there. When it comes to onion, you can use either brown onion, white onion, red onion, whichever you have in your hand. Okay, I think this is enough. Alright, now I am going to put half of my vegetables in here. Maybe sprinkle a little bit of salt in your filling. I forgot to put salt in the other one. Now I will put this in the fridge for about 1 hour or so. Cover it before you put it into the fridge. Okay, now it's all ready to go into the fridge now. Now I've got my meatloaf out of the fridge and I've preheated my oven to 200 degrees. And this will go into the oven now to be cooked. Now I'll be making the sauce for the top. I've got about 1 tablespoon, heaped tablespoon, maybe just a little bit more, say 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste. And I will add some salt, about half a teaspoon. Should be fine. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Add some water. This is hot water. You can do it with cold if you like. My meatloaf is still cooking in the oven and it's been in there for just over half an hour, about 35 minutes. Once my sauce is ready, I'm going to bring that out too. Okay, this is good. Alright. Now it's out of the oven. Let's see the bottom. It looks perfectly good. Okay. Just keep it apart so the sauce goes all around. Now this is going to go back to the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. I've recooked it in the oven for about 20 minutes now. It is all ready to be served. Now it's time to serve. Cut into slices. And this is how it turned out. Very nicely cooked all through. Now let's have a taste test. It tastes really nice. I highly recommend it. Now, thanks for watching my video. Okay, now this really did turn out really nice. I would highly recommend it. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.